Students, in the previous class we learned how to solve a linear equation by transposing method. Today we are going to deal with word problems related to linear equations. Let's see the first word problem. This is from exercise 2.2. Students, will be doing some problems from that. Study the pattern of problems which we deal in the online sessions. Don't bother about other questions. The first question, if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 by 2, you get 1 by 8. So what is the number? Okay. So here in the question you can see a word, a number. The number is not given to you. So that will be your x. Let the number be x. For a word problem in the linear equations chapter, every question will start with a let statement, that is, let the number be x. Now what you have to do is read the question sentence by sentence. If you subtract 1 by 2 from a number, subtract 1 by 2 from a number. The number you have taken it as x. So this implies x minus 1 by 2. Subtract 1 by 2 from a number. I told you after from whatever thing comes you will write first a number. A number is x. X minus 1 by 2. What is the next part of the question? Multiply the result by 1 by 2. What is the result? X minus 1 by 2 is the result. Multiply the result by 1 by 2. So how will you write? 1 by 2 into x minus 1 by 2. What's the next part of the question? You get 1 by 8. You get. You can put equal to 1 by 2 into x minus 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 8. This is how you form an equation from the question given to you. Read the question part by part and form equations from that. The equation given to you is 1 by 2 into x minus 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 8. Here 2 is divided 1 by 2. So when you take to the other side it becomes multiplication. So 2 by 8. What is 2 by 8? You can either reduce or keep it like that itself. X minus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 8. Here minus 1 by 2. So what happens if you take minus 1 by 2 to the other side of the equation? It becomes plus 1 by 2. So what will you get at the last? X is equal to 2 by 8 plus 1 by 2. Here you can see fractional addition. So take the LCM of the denominators. LCM of 8 and 2 is equal to 8. 2 by 8, 8 is the denominator. Here 2 is the denominator. How will you make it into 8? 2 4s are 8. So 1 into 4, 4. Now the denominators are same. So you can add the numerators. 2 by 8 plus 4 by 8 is equal to 6 by 8. Here 6 by 8 you are reducing to the simplest form. The simplest form of 6 by 8 is equal to 3 by 4. So the number is equal to 3 by 4. Which number? The number which you have taken as x. The value of x is 3 by 4. Moving on to the next question. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. Its length is 2 meter, more than twice its breadth. What are the length and the breadth of the pool? So, here you are given a rectangular swimming pool. Length and breadth is not given as numbers, they are given as relationships. Okay. Then the perimeter of a swimming pool is given as 154 meter. Now we will read the question part by part. Perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool. Rectangular perimeter. What is the perimeter of a rectangle? It is 2 into L plus B. Its length is, I'll read it part by part. Its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. I'll show you how we are converting. We have taken length as L and breadth as B. Length L is converted into equal to sign. 2 meter more than. What is more than? It is addition. Twice. What is twice? It is 2 into its breadth. Breadth we have taken as B. So, length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. We will write it as length is equal to 2 meter plus 2B. Or as equation, how will you write? L is equal to 2 plus 2B. Students, this M is not a variable here. That is the symbol for meters. So, no need to write it while you write the equation for length. L is equal to 2 plus 2B. Finding perimeter. You know perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So, we are going to substitute length formula here. Length we got it as 2 plus 2B and breadth we have taken it as B. 2 plus 2B plus B. What is 2B plus B? It is 3B. 2 plus 3B. Will you add it? No. Why? 2 is not a variable. 2 is a constant. You can never add a constant and a variable. So don't add it and write 5B. It is not allowed for you. 154 is equal to 2 into 2 plus 3B. Why you wrote 154 here? Because perimeter is already given in your question. 154 by 2. Suddenly where this 2 came from? 2 is coming from here. 2 is multiplied here. So when you take to the other side of the equal to sign, it became division. 154 divided by 2 is 77. 77 is equal to 2 plus 3B. 2 plus. So when you take to the other side, it becomes subtraction. 77 minus 2. 75 is equal to 3B. 3 into B. So when you take to the other side, it becomes divided by 3. 75 divided by 3 is equal to breadth. Breadth is 25. This value of 25 you will put in length equation which you got in the previous page. Length is equal to 2 plus 2B. That is 2 plus 2 into 25. 2 into 25 is 50. So the length is 52. Length is equal to 52 meter and breadth is equal to 25 meter. Next question. The base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3 centimeter. Underline the word isosceles. The perimeter of the triangle is 4 2 by 15 centimeter. What is the length of either of the remaining equal sides? So in this question you should know what is an isosceles triangle. That you are learning from 5th standard. Isosceles triangle is a triangle in which two sides are equal. So the base of the triangle is given as 4 by 3 centimeter. The other two equal sides we will take it as x. Okay. What is the perimeter of a triangle? It is the sum of three sides, that is side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3. Perimeter is given as 4 2 by 15. Side 1 we took it as x, side 2 we took it as x, and side 3 is given as 4 by 3. It is from the question. 4 2 by 15 is a mixed fraction, so you are converting it into an improper fraction. 4 into 15 is 60. 60 plus 2, 62, the same denominator. X plus 4 by 3. Here you can see denominators 15 and 3. Take the LCM of 3 and 15. You will get the LCM as 15. Multiply the whole equation by 15. Okay. Here 15, here 15, here 15, here 15. I'll show you here. 15 into 62 by 15 is equal to 15 into x plus 15 into x plus 15 into 4 by 3. I told you students, this 15 is not coming from air. It is coming from the LCM of 3 and 15. So 15 by 15. I'll cancel. I'll get 62 here. 15x plus 15x plus 20. 20. Where is it from? 15 divided by 3 is 5. So 5 into 4, 20. So the equation is 62 equal to 30x plus 20. Don't think that where is 30 coming from. It is 15 plus 15. 62 minus 20 equal to 30x. 42 is equal to 30x. Next step. What will be the next step? 42 by 30 equal to x. I have cancelled it with 6. 6 7s are 42. 6 5s are 30. Okay. So you will get it as 7 by 5. As 7 by 5 is an improper fraction, I have converted it into mixed fraction. Therefore, length of either of the remaining equal sides is equal to 1 2 by 5 meter. Students, you would have noticed that I have written the answer statement at the last of each and every question. That is a must, a rule in your mathematics word problems. Then only you will get scores, marks I mean. Next one, sum of two numbers is 95. If one exceeds the other by 15, find the numbers. Sum of two numbers is 95. You have two numbers. When you add the two numbers, you are getting 95. If one exceeds the other by 15, so what is given to you? If one number is x, the other number will be x plus 15. Why? Given that one number exceeds means add x plus 15. So if one number is x, the other number is x plus 15. When you add two numbers, x is the first number, x plus 15 is the second number. So x plus x 2x 15. I am taking plus 15 to the other side. So 2x is equal to 95 minus 15. 95 minus 15 is 80. So x, I am taking this 2 to the other side. 80 divided by 2 is 40. X is 40. That is the first number is 40. So what does that say next number? It is 40 plus 15, 55. Hence the numbers are 55 and 40. Next question. Two numbers are in the ratio 5:3. If they differ by 18, what are the numbers? What are the numbers? Students, when you are given a ratio in this type of question, the first thing what you should do is take the numbers as 5x and 3x. What is given in your ratio? Okay. Consider the numbers to be 5x and 3x. Don't go for any other numbers. Whatever is given to you in the ratio, take it along with x. That is, here you have given the ratio 5:3. So the first number will be 5x and the second number will be 3x. If they differ, what is differ? Differ is subtraction. 5x minus 3x is equal to 18. What is 5 minus 3? 2. 2x is equal to 18. So, x is equal to 9. Why x is equal to 9? X is equal to 18 divided by 2. It's 9. Students, don't stop while you get the answer for x. That is not your question. Your question is what are the numbers. So you should write what is the first number and what is the second number. You have